What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I decided to start my video here because this is one of my favorite spots in the local Hudson Valley area here, and I am on my way out to Reed Systems. Those are the guys that make all the liquid stuff for us, but they also do a lot of custom stainless steel stuff. I'm not sure if it's something they do for everyone, but they definitely do it for us. And we are having them make a lid for this box that'll go under here, come flat across, come down, and hook on these here. So this is the battery box that I was working on a couple videos ago. I grabbed it yesterday and I have it with me, but I'm just gonna enjoy this view here for a second, and then I'm gonna head to Reed and I will catch up with you guys when I'm done there. All right, guys, so I just dropped off that battery box and they're gonna make us a stainless lid for that. So they'll call us once it's done, but I also picked up about 40 feet of hose. That way we can fill our liquid tanks a little bit farther out of the shop than where we can right now. I think our hose is about 25 feet right now, maybe 30, and it's kind of restricting where we can fill the tanks. So I got a 40-footer, that way we can just pull right in the door and fill right there. But I am about to head down to our shop. This is a really nice drive, so I'm gonna throw a little time lapse on here, and then I will catch up with you guys when I am back down there. All right, guys, so I am actually down in Jersey right now. I am at a store here called Roberts & Son. They sell these spinner motors here. This is off one of our sanders. If you saw my past video where I had to change one of these, then you know what it is. I think I mentioned it in one or two videos ago too. But I'm gonna run inside and grab two of them. They'll take this one as a core, and we'll replace the one that we need, and the other one that I get will go on our shelf in stock. That way if something happens to another one, we have one ready to be swapped out. So let me run into the store and then I'll catch up with you guys when I am back at my shop. All right, guys, so I made it to my shop. I have my new spinner motor here. The store that I went to pick this up only had one in stock, so they are gonna call us when they have another and we'll grab it. They might even ship it up to us. They do deliveries around here all the time. So I have the truck here pulled in. This is the motor that I'm gonna pull off. This one is no longer working. You guys have seen this truck in previous videos. It's one of our Silverado 6500s. But Rodrigo is outside working on the liquid in this truck because we went to use it the other day and the valve wouldn't open. So obviously no liquid was coming out, but that should be something stupid. I'm thinking it's gonna be like a fuse or something like that. So he's gonna get that taken care of, and I am gonna jump on this and get this motor switched. All right, so I have the new motor on here, but now I need to take this bolt, that bolt, and then there's two more down below there because this bar that runs down like that is bent. So when you turn this on, the whole thing is shaking like crazy. So we are gonna change this. I have new bearings here. I'm gonna put new bearings on and get rid of those old ones that are in there. And this should run perfect, but let me start pulling this apart. All right, so I got the whole spinner and the arm, or the shaft, whatever you want to call it, taken out, but this is so rusted on there, it is basically welded. So I'm leaving that for now. Rodrigo might try and get it apart over the weekend, but I have to run upstate to our other yard where that backhoe is because there's a guy on his way there to look at it. So I'm gonna go try and sell that, but if Rodrigo doesn't get this done over the weekend, I will get back to it on Monday. So I will see you guys then. All right, guys. So it is Monday morning. I am back down at my shop. I got that backhoe sold. So if you were interested in it, I'm sorry, but it is gone. Well, we still have it, but tomorrow they're taking it. So it's already sold. But anyway, over the weekend, Rodrigo worked Saturday and he tried to slide this off. As you can tell, it was heated up quite a bit, and eventually this plate that was on the bottom there just snapped right off. So he remade a tube and welded it to this plate. I'll just have to bolt it to the spinner, but now I need to get everything attached to this and slide it up in there, and we should have no issues. So let's get to work. All right, guys, so I got the new spinner all connected. Let me grab the flashlight real quick so you can see everything. So there are two Allen keys on each of those bearings, along with the two bolts on the sides that you have to tighten down. That way the whole thing doesn't just slide out, but it's really not that bad. It's just a little tight in there and it's very greasy. So it's a little time consuming, but very easy to do. As long as you can get pieces like this apart. Obviously we couldn't, so sometimes it is better to just buy everything brand new or make it yourself. But let me throw this sander on real quick and make sure everything here is working as it should. All right, so it is working fine, and it is much quieter than the old one was because that was bent and obviously with it bent every time it spins. Here, let me turn this off. So this is just a wireless controller. You have up and down for your speed and also for your chain. So one for the spinner and one for the chain. But we are trying to get rid of this system. Nobody really likes it, but you guys saw in the last, well, not the last video, one of my, I think it was my first plowing video actually, we took this out and put the old system back on just because it works better. But you know, like I was saying, this one is much quieter because there is no bend in the bar that holds it all together. So every time it spins, when it's bent, it's just like clink, 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 clink every single time. So that also puts more stress on the motor and stuff. So could be a reason that we had to change the motor. But that is pretty much it for this video. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below. I'm gonna go and clean up all these tools before I put them away because they are absolutely disgusting and I don't want to put them in my toolbox like that. But either way, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, leave a comment down below. If you didn't, leave a comment anyway. Hope you did though. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.